As of December 2025, Tesla doesn't offer official Apple Watch integration for keyless entry or direct control. However, third-party apps bridge this gap, letting you control certain car functions from your wrist. This connection relies on your iPhone acting as an intermediary. Third-party apps like Tesla for Watch make Apple Watch control possible by using Tesla's Open API, which was introduced in 2016 and has been refined through updates. These apps create a connection that allows you to send commands such as locking or unlocking your Model 3, adjusting climate control settings, and checking the vehicle's battery status directly from your wrist. The technology works by routing these commands through your iPhone's internet connection or via Bluetooth to communicate with the car's systems. This approach requires the phone to be nearby for authentication and connectivity, as the Apple Watch itself cannot directly connect to the Tesla vehicle. First, download a compatible third-party app like Tesla for Watch from the App Store on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Next, open the app and link it to your Tesla account by entering your username and password to generate an API token. This authenticates the connection. Now, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your Apple Watch by navigating to Settings and toggling it on. Finally, confirm that your iPhone's Tesla app is already paired with your Model 3 vehicle for keyless entry and controls. With these steps completed, your Apple Watch can now communicate with your Tesla Model 3 through a secure connection routed via your iPhone. While third-party apps make Apple Watch control possible, they also introduce potential security risks that you should be aware of. First, always enable two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from an authenticator app in addition to your password. Second, carefully monitor the permissions that third-party apps request. Be cautious of apps asking for excessive access to your data or device features, as this could compromise your privacy. Finally, ensure that the app uses encrypted connections, specifically AES 256 encryption, to protect your data during transmission and storage. This helps safeguard your Tesla account information. The first major limitation is that direct NFC key emulation on the Apple Watch isn't possible with Tesla's proprietary system. Tesla uses its own NFC technology that doesn't support Apple's car key standard, so the Apple Watch cannot communicate directly with the car for keyless entry. Another important limitation is that your iPhone needs to be nearby for full functionality. The Apple Watch connects to the Tesla through the iPhone's Bluetooth and internet connection, so the phone must remain in proximity and powered on for commands to work reliably. The connection also relies on a compatible Tesla firmware version, specifically 125.12 or higher. Older firmware versions may not support the full API integration needed for Apple Watch controls, requiring you to update your vehicle's software. Finally, keep in mind that battery drain on your Apple Watch can be a concern. Running third-party Tesla apps and maintaining Bluetooth connections can significantly reduce battery life, requiring more frequent charging compared to normal usage. Many Tesla owners use Apple Watch apps for quick actions like preheating the car or checking battery levels. However, connectivity issues can occur in areas with weak cellular signals. Some users report reduced app switching and increased convenience, while others highlight the need for frequent API token refreshes. The trend towards wearable integration in electric vehicles is growing rapidly. As more drivers adopt EVs, the demand for convenient wearable controls continues to rise. While Tesla hasn't officially embraced Apple's car key standard, which allows direct integration with wearables, their current setup relies on third-party solutions. However, future software updates might bring improved support for wearable devices. Keep an eye on advancements in Apple's watchOS operating system and Tesla's Open API. Some analysts predict that by 2030, wearable keyless access will become commonplace across the electric vehicle industry, making car interactions even more seamless. Tech experts emphasize the importance of vetting third-party apps carefully. Tesla's API openness allows innovation but requires users to prioritize security. Official Tesla support for Apple Watch is uncertain, making third-party apps the primary option for now. Stay informed about the latest app updates and Tesla firmware releases to ensure compatibility and security.